Hi kids, in today's session we will cover plus and minus small friends, plus 1 to plus 9 big friends questions. Means they are all mixed. Means plus all big friends mixed and plus minus and all small friends mixed. Okay, let's see. One thing remember, I will only go to big friends when I can't do small friends. How do I know that I can't do small friends? For example, you have to do plus 5 and 5 is already added. Plus 5 minus 1 you have to do formula of 4 and 5 is already added. You can't add it again, no. That beat is already added. That's when you go to big friends. And if you can't do minus 5, for example, you have 14 with you and you have to do minus, say, yeah, if you have to minus something, okay, so you can't minus that because you have to do minus 5 and plus something. In 14 you don't have beats for minus 5, no, so that's when you will go to big friends. However, we are only doing plus big friends in all small friends, so I'll explain you further in the questions. Okay, now I have 4 with me. I have to do 3. No beats for 3, so small friends plus 5 minus 2. Now plus 5. Formula of plus 5, only big friends we have, plus 10 minus 5. Okay, ma'am. Now plus 4. I don't have beats for 4, so I have small friends also, plus 5 minus 1. Now plus 5 again, plus 10 minus 5. Formula of plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Now add 2. My answer is 23. Clear? Next question. Add 3, add 8. What is the formula of 8? Plus 10 minus 2. Now minus 1. Okay. Plus 7. Okay. And plus 8. I can't do plus 8, no. So plus 10 minus 2. Big friend's formula of plus 8. Now minus 2. Minus 5 plus 3. Why? I don't have beats for 2. That's why. Okay. So my answer is 23. I am making you do some questions only. Obviously, I can't make you do all plus 1 to plus 9, right? I can't make you do all of them in one video, no? So, I am making you do 2 to 3 questions that covers that concept. I'm making you do a plus 5, plus 8. That's how other numbers are gonna be done. Okay, so you have to practice by yourself. I am covering the concept of small friends and the plus 1 to plus 9 big friends here. Okay. Okay, I'll see you in the next video now. Stay connected. We will practice more questions.